Hi everyone. Today we will discuss how to solve a system of equation algebraically. Okay, so let me start our explanation with this very simple example. You have 2x plus y equals 5 and x minus y equals 1. Note that in each equation you have two variables x and y, right? So the key point is here. This is always the very important point, reduce the number of variables. You can use any algebraic operation to do so. For example, in this case, I will add two equations each other because in this case, the upper equation has a positive y and the second equation has a negative y. So it is easy to understand if we add these two equations, we can cancel out y, right? Okay, add, then what is the result? You have a 3x, right? Equals 6. Since 3x equals to 6, if you divide both sides by 3, then x equals 2, right? We got one value. And you can use any of this equation to find the second value. Now plug in x equals 2, then 2 times 2 plus y equals 5. So 4 plus y equals 5. So y equals 1, right? Or more simply, you can express your answer as a coordinate form. Okay, so always please don't forget this concept. Reduce the number of variables. Okay, second equation. Solve the system of equations algebraically. Well, in the case you have a y equals something and y equals something. So this is very straightforward to say that 2x minus 3 is the same as x plus 1. Can you see the huge difference from here to here? Yes, we reduced the number of variables in the case we eliminate y. That is the key point. Now, if you subtract x, then you have x here. If you add 3, you have a 4 here, right? So we have the first solution. Now you can use any of this solution. I will choose second one. Make it a rule to choose the most simplest looking equation. Okay, y equals x plus 1, so 4 plus 1. So y equals 5. Okay, and this is the solution of this system of equation. More simply, you can write your answer as 4, 5. Okay, good. Okay, next one. Now, I hope you can find how to solve this one. Yes, here you have a positive y, negative y. So by adding, you have a 3x, you have a 9 here. So x equals 3. I will use this one. 2x, so 2 times 3 plus y equals 5. 6 plus y equals 5. So y equals negative 1. Okay. Or 3, negative 1. Good? Beautiful. Okay, next one. Wow. look at this. You have x and 2y, you have 1/2 x and negative y. So by simply adding or subtracting, we cannot eliminate one variable. Or in the case, I will multiply by 2 to both sides. Then you have x, you have negative 2y, you have 36. Now, you have x and x, so by subtracting we can eliminate x, and also you have a positive 2y, negative 2y, so by adding the first equation and the third equation, this one and this one, we can eliminate the y also. I will try to add. Then you have a 2x, and positive 2y, negative 2y will be cancelled out, and 8, 36, which is 44. Now divide by 2, x equals 22, right? I will use this one. Now x plus 2y equals 8. If you subtract 22, you have a 2y equals negative 14. So y equals negative 7, right? Okay, second equation. Wow. In the case you have a 3a, 2b, and 2b, 3a. So by modifying one equation only, it is not possible to have the same or opposite variables. So in the case, I will multiply by, for example, if I try to eliminate b, I will multiply by 3 for the first equation, and I will multiply by 2 to the second equation. Okay, I hope you understand why. Because by multiply by 3, you have 9a plus 6b equals 21, and by multiply by 2 to the second equation, you have 4a plus 6b equals negative 4. Since you have same variable 6b indicates I will subtract the second equation from the first one. So 9a minus 4a, which is 5a. Now 6b minus 6b will be nothing, and 21 minus negative 4 will be 25. So a equals 5. Okay. Now I will use the first equation. 3a plus 2b equals 7. 15 plus 2b equals 7. If you subtract 15, then 2b will be 7 minus 15. See here. Divided by 2, b equals negative 4. Okay. Okay, today we will discuss how to solve a system of equation algebraically. Please remember one thing. Reduce the number of variables. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.